Many people have hard time believing that it is possible to make 500,000 naira per month online. They have tried a few different approaches with online business and have not made a single kobo. So, how are they going to make their first 500,000 in just 30 days? If you are one of these people, consider this. There have been people who have followed the method described in this system I'm about to share with you that have made more than 500,000 by the end of 30 days. It is certainly possible. What is the difference between these people and majority that I have found? They took consistent action and followed the plan precisely. Here is where this system comes in. With this system, you are going to learn how to shape your mindset so that you are motivated to take daily action. You will understand that there are great opportunities to make money online if you use the right method. You will understand that you need to be prepared to invest some of your time, effort, and money to make this work. You are going to find that all you have to do is follow instructions and earn. You will understand that you can change your life for the better starting right now. To make this easy, I have put together a step-by-step business in a box system that will guide you and help you get this done in minutes. Introducing 7 steps done for you business in a box with complete sales funnel. A step-by-step system to earning 500k plus every month. No stone are left unturned. When you get your hand on this now, you will become a complete expert on this and you will get everything you need inside. Here is a quick highlight of what you will discover inside. Shape your mindset. Why you must choose a passive income model. The math for 500k per month. Setting up your sales funnel. Developing your list building plan. List building and email marketing. Your traffic plan. Promoting offers to your list and lots more. This is the easiest way that I have found that actually works and will put 500,000 in your bank account every month. Who needs this step-by-step system? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need it. Your corporate job is sucking life out of you. I was once like that. You want to stop failing with online business? You want to find a method that works? You want to be motivated to take daily action? You want to change your life for the better? You want to earn 500k per month? Does this sound exactly like what you need? But your question is, how much does it cost? If you are going to hire an expert to do this, to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of thousands of naira for coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds of thousands of naira to get into coaching programs or attend workshops and never make a single kobo. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. Click the button below for instant access. There is no risk at all. There are a lot of people that claim to offer solutions on how to make 500,000 monthly. So it's understandable if you are a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my done for you business in the box system is. But you really need to go through and see for yourself what it is all about. That is why 7 days done for you business in a box with complete sales funnel comes with 30 days money back guaranteed. To decide if it's for you, if for any reason or no reason at all, you are not 100% satisfied with what is inside, simply send me an email and I will refund every kobo of your little investment. No question asked. I will not ask you a single question. So click the button below right now. No risk. Click the button and gain instant access. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch and listen to this limited time offer that has the potential to help you earn 500k per month online. See you on the inside. Thank you.